Welcome back to Tampa Bay's Morning Blend, coming to you from our homes. And maybe while you're at home, you're not feeling as glamorous as you have when we can be out and about. Well, that's why we bring in our friend Mickey Williams from Share the Glam to help us all feel better. I see you're rocking gloves. Your hair's looking great. Carly and I have been making jokes, so we're kind of worried about our color. And I think that's why we gave you a call today to help us out.
I swear, I can't tell you how many people have asked me how to color their hair at home. So I'm here to tell you. And I have John Frieda helped us out with this. They have a precision foam color, and it comes with these really cool, very professional looking gloves. So that's why I'm wearing these gloves. I thought, oh, I am a professional. But yeah, I took some pictures over the weekend right before I colored my hair. You can see my roots. I mean, you know, I didn't show you the front part because there was a lot more gray there. But I had that huge line and that darkness that was coming through that just was, you know, right now I've gone so many weeks, it's just getting crazier. So this is the color that you put on your hair. Now this is what's so cool about it. It's an actual foam color. It's super quick. It's a really easy fix for your roots right now. Or if you want to just go bold and color all of your hair, go for it. It has this really kind of like shine, salon quality shine to it. I can't tell you how easy it is to order online, or if you're going to go make a Walmart run, you can run in and grab it. I mean, it's super affordable. It's under 12 bucks. I had to use actually 2 boxes on my hair, but you can, most people don't have all of this hair, so they can just use one. And I have to say, the foam is what really does the difference. I've never seen a foam color, so this is really cool, and especially makes it easier for you at home because the foam basically reaches every strand. So you see how I put it on that one part of my hair first? It actually goes there, and then it doesn't make it to where I have to separate my hair in these like tiny little sections. I can actually just put it on my hair, and then it'll actually expand, and that foam will develop the color. It's super rich. I mean, it was so shiny. My hair is so shiny. I can show you. I got pretty much everything. I don't have that dark brown line of demarcation anymore. I mean, there's no dripping. There was nothing. It was easy, easy breezy. And how I did it, and this is how easy the kit is. I can show you. First of all, the box looks like this. And there you go. That's my color. I'm a 9N. So if you're looking, that was the blonde that I switched over if you're anywhere near me. My friend says she uses the brunettes and she's addicted to it. She doesn't even go to the salon anymore because the color is so shiny. So I guess it's great for brunettes too. But you literally take the developer, which comes in this, and this is what makes it different. Then you take right here the color and you pour this into here, and instead of shaking it like you would normally a box color at home, you just tilt it 5 times. I mean, that saves you time too, because usually you have to shake it for like 2 minutes. So you tilt it 5 times, then you pop this top on and you squeeze the bottle and foam comes out. And then I left it on for 10 minutes for the root and then pulled it through the rest of my hair for another 10 minutes. I mean, I got the back of my hair because the foam got back there. And then you just wash it, and it comes with the shampoo, you know, the conditioner, not the shampoo that comes in the box. So I can't tell you how easy it was. I was in and out. You know, I have a little baby, and I was in and out in 30 minutes, and I'm happy. I mean, I normally color my hair myself, so I was really surprised. This was the first time I used a foam, and it was so much easier than me having to take a little pick and, you know, doing every little inch of my hair. And it was so much easier to get the back and the hard to reach areas. And I got these gloves.
And you have gloves, you know, and I'm glad you're addressing the foam, because I know, you know, I've started to kind of look in, like, what am I going to do? And right now, like, my safe is just like a spray just to kind of help the color, because I'm scared to go the route that you're going. So I like that you say, 1, it's easy, and 2, though, it can be so overwhelming when you start to look at color and you've never done it at home before. That's the category I find, because there's so many different kinds out there.
And this is the trick. Never try to go 2 shades lighter or darker than your natural hair color. So if you don't know what your natural hair color is, chances are after being quarantine, you can see it pretty loud and clear. You don't want to go 2 shades darker. And you also really don't, you know, when you're putting it on, you really want to follow directions. Like something as simple as traditional colors you would shake. This is really the key, is you're just tilting it, and it's depositing. Once it deposits on your hair, you know, there you go, you've got it. But the thing too is you don't want to take something the first time you're ever doing it and make a dramatic difference. So, you know, I always say stay within the lines, if you will. And also, if you're somebody who doesn't normally do the root base break, which is lightening up the root, and you're just someone who does highlights like I think you do, right, Natalie?
Yes.
You might want to consider a different route. But if you are somebody who does the base break, which is a lot of us out there with gray, it's something that is, the base spray couldn't be easier. And then when you pull it through your hair, there's no line of demarcation. Like I said, the ends aren't darker than the top.
Yeah.
You know, those are the things that you look for when you get bad color. And this really was so simple. I mean, there you go, you know.
Yeah.
So,
Well, Mickey, we want to make sure and share the information so people can get their hands on it. There you go. We're talking about under 12 bucks. There's also the website. You mentioned Walmart. There's Walmart as well. Mickey, as always, thank you. We love your tips, especially during this time.
yeah,